Moving on, a day ahead of the mega nationwide vaccine rollout, preparations are currently on for a smooth vaccine rollout program in full swing, which is overseen by Prime Minister Modi, who will be launching this pan-India rollout of COVID-19 vaccination drive at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. He's also going to be launching the CoWIN app. Over 3,000 sites across all states and union territories will be virtually connected. Around 100 beneficiaries will be vaccinated at each site on the first day. According to sources, in Delhi, vaccines will reach 81 centers under the supervision of the DM tomorrow morning. In fact, Covaxin will be available at 6 centers and Covishield in 75 centers. 45 medical professionals and scientists have slammed critiques of India's approval process for 2 COVID-19 vaccines, saying that such remarks cast aspersions on honest efforts of the scientists. In fact, they hailed the vaccines as a gift to humanity.
दिल्ली सरकार की ओर से पूरी तैयारी की गई है। अभी फर्स्ट फेज में हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स को लगाई जा रही है। 81 साइट्स जो कि ज़्यादातर हॉस्पिटल्स में हैं, उनको कल से स्टार्ट किया जाएगा। 81 साइट्स पे लगाई जाएगी और एक साइट पे 100 लोगों को लगेगी। मंडे, ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे और सैटरडे 4-3 हफ्ते में लगेगी।
Total number of beneficiaries which we expect is around 9,500. To take care of that, we have around 200 officials from the government, ANM, police officers and constables who would be helping us. We have deployed around 100 junior doctors and around 25 senior doctors to supervise all the management in Kalam Center for the vaccination.
As far as tomorrow being the first day of immunization, throughout the Telangana, we selected 30 candidates at each site. So, like that, in Gandhi, we are prepared to give immunization for 30 beneficiaries. So, we are having 3,000 beneficiaries. So, actually, Gandhi is having 7 sites. So, each site can immunize 100 people. So, like that, 700 per day. 500 to 700 we can immunize per day.
All right, let me quickly cut across to Rohit Singh joining us live from Patna. Rohit, over to you. We believe that you have 2 people who are all set to be vaccinated tomorrow. I want to know what's their excitement like. Are they doubtful of it? Are they confident of the vaccines that they're receiving? Take us through the process with them.
जी बिल्कुल, हमारे साथ इस वक्त 2 स्वास्थ्य कर्मी मौजूद हैं जिन्हें कल पहला टीका लगने वाला है बिहार में और दोनों IGIMS में काम करते हैं, इंदिरा गांधी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज में है। ये हमारे साथ राम बाबू हैं जो कि सफाई कर्मी हैं अस्पताल में और उसी अस्पताल में अमित कुमार ये एम्बुलेंस के चालक हैं। सबसे पहले राम बाबू आपसे बात करते हैं। बहुत बड़ी चुनौती रही होगी जब ये कोरोना का एक आउटब्रेक हुआ था, जो पूरे दुनिया में सब संक्रमण फैला। किस तरीके से आपने लोगों की मदद की, मरीजों की मदद की, क्योंकि आप अस्पताल में हमेशा रहते होंगे, कितने बताइए जरा।
हम अस्पताल में रहते हैं, सफाई कर्मचारी हम सब बहुत हेल्प किए हैं सर कोरोना काल में इस पेशेंट के प्रति, कि हमको भी जूझना पड़ता है हर चीज़ में, हर जगह पर, मगर फिर भी अपना सेफ्टी से करते हुए अपना सब काम अपना वहाँ कोरोना काल में अपना दे।
कब से आपने काम करना मतलब लगा कि हाँ आप लोग को बताया गया कि कोरोना आ गया है, अब आप लोग को ज्यादा ड्यूटी भी करनी पड़ती होगी उस वक्त?
जी हाँ, उस हम तो मार्च महीना से हम सबको मालूम हुआ कि कोरोना काल वहाँ से चालू हुआ है, चीन से निकला था इस बीमारी को, तो हम सबको उस समय से आगाह हो गया था कि भाई इस तरह का बीमारी यहाँ बिहार में भी आने की आशंका हो रही है। और उस तरह से लागत ये हुआ कि वहाँ से चलते चलते बिहार तक आइए गया।
तो आप लोग की आमतौर पर ड्यूटी कितनी देर की होती है?
हम सबको 12 घंटा ना तो 14 घंटा का ड्यूटी रहती है, हम सब रेगुलर अपने ड्यूटी पर रहते हैं।
तो अभी क्या कोरोना आप लोग का ड्यूटी भी बढ़ गया था, ज्यादा काम?
जी हाँ, ज्यादा काम तो करना पड़वे करता है।
कितने घंटे आप लोग काम करते हैं?
12 घंटा 14 घंटा अपना रेगुलर करना पड़ता था।
रेगुलर करता?
जी हाँ।
कोई आप लोग के मन में कोई हिचक तो नहीं था कि स्वास्थ्य कर्मियों को, कि आप लोग को सफाई का ध्यान रखना होता होगा अस्पताल में, मास्क लोग फेंकते होंगे, ग्लव्स निकाल के फेंकते होंगे, उन सब चीजों को इकट्ठा करके आप लोगों को कहीं डिस्पोज करना होता है? बहुत ही
हम सबको हाथ में, हम सबको भी सेफ्टी के लिए मास्क दिया जाता था, हाथ में ग्लव्स पहनकर अपना सेफ्टी से काम किया जाता था कि हाँ भाई कम से कम इस बीमारी को दूर करना है तो इसको क्लियर करना।
तो आपको कभी हिचकिचाहट तो नहीं हुई कि मुझे भी संक्रमण फैल सकता है, इतने मतलब मैं सफाई कर्मी का काम कर रहा हूँ? तो
इसी हिचकिचाहट तो रहता था, डर भी रहता था कि इस तरह की बीमारी हम सबको भी, मगर हम सबको कभी आज तक ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ।
अब जो ये वैक्सीन आ गया है तो आप लोग को एक उम्मीद जगी है कि चलिए देश को भी इससे बहुत फायदा होगा। कल आप पहले व्यक्ति हैं जिनको ये टीका लगने वाला है बिहार की, अगर हम बात करें तो कल।
जी हाँ, हम पहला व्यक्ति है बिहार का नंबर 1। हम सबको गर्व हो रहा है कि पहला टीका हम सबको पड़ रहा है।
तो आप लोग को खुशी है इस बात?
जी हाँ, बहुत बहुत।
तो वैक्सीन को लग जाने के बाद आप लोग थोड़ा आश्वस्त हो जाएंगे कि अब मुझे कोरोना नहीं हो सकता है?
जी हाँ, आश्वस्त हो जाएंगे।
हो जाएंगे।
जी हाँ।
अमित कुमार भी साथ में है जो कि एम्बुलेंस चालक हैं। एम्बुलेंस का भी बहुत योगदान रहा होगा। मरीज जो कोरोना वाले होते होंगे उनको लेके आना पड़ता होगा अस्पताल में। किस तरीके से आपने काम किया अमित, ये बताइए।
उस पल काफी मुश्किल भरा रहा था, बहुत मुश्किल भरा रहा था पल। कोरोना पॉजिटिव को लेकर के बहुत मुश्किल और काफी कठिनाई भरा मतलब कि रहा था हम लोग को।
तो कैसे अपनी ड्यूटी आप करते थे?
बस अपना सेफ्टी रखना पड़ता था, पीपी किट यूज करना था, मास्क था, ग्लव्स था, सैनिटाइजर था।
तो आप लोगों को तो कभी कोरोना नहीं हुआ इसके दौरान की हुआ था आप लोग?
नहीं, कोरोना हुआ नहीं, लेकिन हम लोग मतलब कि बीच बीच में कोविड का टेस्ट बार बार कराते रहते थे। जी।
तो कल आपको भी टीका लगने जा रहा है, आप दूसरे व्यक्ति हैं जिसको टीका लगेगा, तो आपको इस बात की खुशी है कि आपको सरकार ने चुना है इस टीका लगाने के लिए सबसे पहले?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
क्या कहेंगे बताइए?
हम तो यही बोलेंगे कि डर के आगे जीत है, दिल से डर निकालिए और टीका लगवाइए।
कोरोना से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है?
कोई डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। जब आपके दिल में डर रहेगा तो कोरोना रहेगा।
हिम्मत बनाए रखें।
हाँ, इसमें कोई डर नहीं।
तो आप ये बता दीजिए, तो अब आपको लगता है लोगों को भी आप आश्वस्त करना चाहेंगे कि वैक्सीन आ गया है तो अब लोगों को डरने की जरूरत नहीं है?
हम तो लोगों को यही बोलेंगे कि 4 कदम आगे बढ़िए, दिल में से डर निकालिए और कोरोना वैक्सीन का टीका लीजिए। कोई डर नहीं है।
Thank you very much, Rohit. We heard what they had to say.
ये लोगों कह रहे थे।
We heard what they had to say. They seem quite confident and they're of course urging people to come by and take the vaccine as well. Apprehensions clearly are there, but the government has made it largely clear to people that these are vaccines that are safe, trialed upon thousands of individuals, and the scientists have worked day in and day out to actually bring out vaccines that are safe for all. And now the vaccination drive begins on the 16th of January. It starts from tomorrow. Pankaj Upadhyay there giving us a glimpse into what's happening at the KEM hospital in Mumbai. Also, we have Milan Sharma live from Delhi's Cancer Institute, where a massive vaccination drive will begin tomorrow. Pankaj, take us through what's the sentiment in Mumbai? How does the government plan to streamline this entire process?
Well, Nabila, as far as Mumbai is concerned, Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation officials say that they are absolutely ready and all their preparations are absolutely ready. And now, let me tell you, this vaccination drive is going to start from 11 a.m. till 6 p.m. BMC officials say that they are targeting around 4,000 healthcare officials. There are 9 designated centers which include 4 medical schools plus 4 peripheral hospitals and 1 jumbo BKC center as well. And in these 9 centers, there are going to be around 40 booths which will remain operational. BMC officials also say, just in case if any healthcare worker develops any side effects, for that as well, emergency services will also be ready. On and all, they say for day one, their target is going to be of vaccinating around 4,000 healthcare workers. Around 130,000 healthcare workers have already registered. And the BMC officials say that they are confident that this vaccination drive is going to be a big success.
Right, Pankaj, thank you. Let me quickly cut across to Milan. Milan, here is the vaccination drive to begin tomorrow. Take us through some of the details in terms of if your name is on the list, are you going to be given a time slot? And in one day, how many vaccines will be issued? How many people will get vaccinated? Please highlight those details.
Well, Nabila, these are the very minute details that we've been looking at throughout since the time that the government has announced the vaccination. But I would also like to talk to the very woman doctor who is with me right now and who will be taking the vaccine tomorrow because her name is on the list. Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Pragya Shukla. You're in charge of vaccination as well. And you have taken it upon yourself to be one of the first women who will be vaccinated tomorrow. The first ones to be vaccinated in the country. What sense do you have about the vaccine misinformation that is doing the rounds?
So I volunteered to take the first vaccine of my institute, And it is really sad that people have spread such rumors about the vaccine, and they are doubting the credibility of the scientists who have really worked hard to get us this vaccine in record time. So just to dispel that myth and that rumor, I have volunteered to take the vaccine first.
Well, the staff of your own hospital, which is also a vaccine center, expressed reservations about the vaccine?
Yes, they did. They came to me when they came to know that the vaccination program is about to start, and that is from where my this idea or the thought stemmed from, that in order to instill faith in them, I need to take the vaccine first, and only then I will be in the position to, you know, tell them or counsel them to take the vaccine.
A lot of misinformation doing the rounds that vaccine leads to a lot of problems. As a woman also, as a woman doctor, they've said that, you know, it leads to infertility. Do you, how do you dispel these rumors?
So the guidelines have been given very clearly about the time frame for which the precautions have to be taken, and then they have to be, you know, adhered to. There's nothing to be so worried about it, or it is just a vaccine, and vaccination programs for different diseases have always been there.
Right.
So it's not a new thing. It's just a new vaccine that has come.
How to get vaccine?
So I don't think so there's anything to be so apprehensive or so afraid of.
So certainly we are going to look at the end of the pandemic, perhaps after our healthcare workers take the vaccination. Thank you so much for speaking to us, Dr. Shukla. And here at the vaccination center, anyone and everybody who is on the list, Nabila, will be vaccinated. You can't cut through lines. The list has already been submitted to the government. We also know that vaccines are very, very limited in supply. So all that's being done to make sure first line of defense, our healthcare workers, are vaccinated on priority.
Well, and thank you very much for joining us with those details. We are looking forward for this vaccination drive to be launched tomorrow morning. In fact, Prime Minister Modi will be virtually launching this massive drive across the nation. Let's quickly cut across to Akshata, bringing us details on how do you get vaccinated. What is the process? Listen in.
If you look at the entire vaccination process, what plays a crucial role is an app that's been developed by the government called the CoWIN app. Now, it is in this app that we will register ourselves for the vaccine. There'll be a self-registration for the vaccine after downloading the app. And remember that right now the app is not available, but it will be able, you will be able to download it from January 16th. So from tomorrow, it will be available for people. So people with comorbidities can also register on the app. Of course, they're not going to be administered the vaccine immediately. It comes in the next phase. But this CoWIN app won't just help people in going ahead and getting the details, but it will also help the administrators as well as the vaccinators in coordinating the entire process. It will monitor the process from beginning to end with real-time data and information that authorities also can go through. So that's how the CoWIN app works. It will verify beneficiary details as well as the status. So for example, even once you get the vaccination, the certification will come from the CoWIN app. The vaccination, the process itself will take 30 minutes. This is keeping in mind also that people will be monitored for a few minutes after the vaccine for side effects. In all, the government plans that about 100 people will be vaccinated in each session. So that's how they're planning to phase out the entire vaccination drive and ensure that a number of people, about lakhs of people, get vaccinated every single day.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.